Yes, student. Now, after you do the work of the writings, that means what the write up you have done. Suppose here I am showing you the text that has been written. Okay, I have written one letter. This particular letter has been taken, and this particular letter you want to do print. Now, how to print it? You will go to the file menu, and as soon as you go to the file menu, there is a print option. Click on the print option. This is for Windows 10 version. Okay, Word Windows 10 version. But if you have the other version, I'll say it. So there are the different type of setup has been given to you. So those the pages, preview pages will be in front of you, and you can select all these things. That means number of, you want to print all the page. If you want to print all the page, you click on it, see how the page are there. You want to print it all the page or not, that you can do. So page number you can give it. Now print one slides, if you see the option print one slides, or manually if you want to print one by one slide, automatically it will print. Manually if you want to print, then you can do that also from the printer. Then you can make the collected form. This is the collected form, this is the uncollected form. Okay, collected form, uncollected form. That next comes the size. Different paper has got the different size, like the letter paper has 21.59 centimeter into 27.94 centimeter. Okay, then legal size, we are using what I am saying, that the general that we are using legal size 21.59 centimeter into 35.56 centimeter. These are the length into width. All are length into width. A3 size is 29.7 centimeter into 42 centimeter. A4 size 21 centimeter into 29.7 centimeter. A5 is 14.8 centimeter into 21 centimeter. So these are the different size. If it is an A6 size, all these different size of papers are available in the market. You can take those size and note size if you want to print. Okay, if you want to print in a small letter scale, A4 small letter, A7 letter. So these are the different type of size. See here, A8, A9, A10, iOS, B3, all the different size of papers. Okay, C3, C4, that means you can see the size is becoming different, small or big, based on its structure. Okay, based on the structure of the paper, the size is becoming, by default it's selected always A4 size paper. So this is what the paper size is there. Next, what you have, the margin. Different pattern of margins are there. If you are not satisfied with the margin what is there, you can go for the customized margin. By default you see 0.5. In all the cases it has been top, bottom, then left, then right. You see all 0.5 has been set. That means I have set 0.5. Now this you can do, or you can change this pattern of things. Now portrait means if you take the paper generally, that is a portrait size, and if you turn the paper, see here, turning the paper, it will become a landscape size. So all the preview you can see here. If you are making any changes, then you can make the change, apply to the whole document, or you apply to the selected document, a portion of the for pointed one where you want to do, then you click on OK, the thing will be done. Okay, now next what you find it, that page. Okay, different page. Now how many page to print, how many copies to print, you go here, you will select the printer from here. Different, the default printer is setting here. You can select the printer from here, and from here number of copies that you can print. Okay, how many copies you write here, how many copies you want to print. But for the other version like XP and all, you will find as soon as you click on the print option, from the file menu one window will open. In that window you will find the options. These the options what you are seeing in the whole screen in Windows 10 version. In other window version you will see the window will open, and in that window all these option will be available. Okay, all these option will be available, and you can select the option whichever you want, and whichever changes you want to do, how you want to print, what is the page setup you want to do, how many page you want to print, how many copies. If you want to give one copy, you can make here one copy. By default one copy is there. If you want to make here 10 copies, you can write here 10. So all these default setting of the pages you can do, and it will show you the preview. This is the preview. Okay, this is the preview what you are seeing here. So this is the preview option that has been shown here by default. But if you are working on other section, then it has got a print preview option. You can see the print preview option, then you can